guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will share with you my unboxing video of this box that I got from the Perfume Shop. So if you want to see more, then please keep on watching. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Keisha. I'm a Pinay Ukrn and I am based here in the UK, here in Derby. So if you're new to my channel, then I do random videos about my life here in the UK, and I also do some videos about my life as a UKRN and my road to become a UKRN. So if you're new, then please subscribe to my channel. And if hindi ka na bago, then you know what my channel is about. So I do some haul videos and some unboxing. So today, I have received my package from the Perfume Shop. So I'm not sure if this is across the UK, pero they have an app. So I think they are across the UK. They have an app, you can download it in your phone, and magkakaroon na entitlement, parang may rewards. So if you like perfume, then better check it out kasi nabili ko yung pabango ko before. It's the Tommy Girl. So this is what I bought from before. Ang presyo niya, I think nasa 30 plus for a 100 ml bottle. Mabango siya. Yeah, it smells like florally scent. Pero mabango siya pagka habang tumatagal. And I only got it for, I think, 16. So, if you have the Perfume Shop na app, then you can download it and you can select a brand na meron kang discount for, I think, for a year. Parang ganon. So, I got this on sale, tapos may additional pang 10% discount. That's why I got it for 16. So, nag-sale yung Tommy sa mall. It's 50% off. So, I was thinking of getting another one kasi as you can see, ayan, mauubos na siya. So, bibili na sana ako ng bago. Meron silang gift set that cost 30 pounds na may kasamang lotion. So, parang back and forth ako sa pagbili. So, I decided to check out the Perfume Shop to see if they carry the same item. Then, upon checking, nakita ko na naka-sale siya. So, it's the same price, pero may discount, may additional discount siya because I have 10% off. And it comes with some freebies. So, eto na yon. So, dumating na siya. So, I'm gonna unbox the item with you guys. So, para makita nyo kung ano yung laman ng items na na-receive ko. So, I have purchased from the Perfume Shop twice. So, pangalawa pa lang tong purchase ko. So, una yung pabango ko kasi nga naghahanap ako. Kasi naamoy ko siya sa ka-work ko and then mabango siya. Sabi ko, ano yung pabango mo? Tapos sinabi niya. Then, nagulat pa nga siya kasi mas mura yung pagkabili ko dong akin kesa sa kanya. So, check it out. So, once you open the box, ito siya. So, thank you. Sent with love. So, most of the packaging here in the UK, ano na siya, mga boxes na at least you can recycle them. And they do have recycle bins here. So, meron silang blue bin. So, yung mga recyclables like boxes, cardboard boxes, mga glass, pwede mo i-recycle. It comes in this packaging. So, ganda. Daming papel. So, naman tayo sa maraming papel. So, yung bahay namin puno na ng mga kahon. So, ang first item is the items that I bought. So, ito siya. So, it's a gift set. So, ito talaga yun. 30 pounds siya sa Tommy na store. Pero, 26 lang yung binayaran ko. Kasama na yung free and all that stuff. So, open natin siya. So, Tommy Girl set. So, during the holiday season, meron silang mga ganito mga gift set. So, nakakatawa bumili. So, it's the same. Magasing dami sila. But, it comes with the lotion. So, ang lotion is 100 ml as well. So, hindi ko siya matanggal, diba? So, ayan siya. So, it's the same scent. So, ayan, mabango siya. If may mga days na tinatamad kang mag-lotion ka na lang para at least mabango pa din. Then, since meron akong rewards with the Perfume Shop, so I received this as part of my perks. So it says here, try me, buy me, love your samples. So I've got a lot of samples, so it's within reach. sa pinagkakaupuan ko. So, ayan, ang dami-dami kong mga perfume samples. So, I get to try all of them. So, at least malalaman ko kung ano yung mabango. So, mabango yung Dior, na Miss Dior, Black Opium. So, marami mga pabango na mabango na na-try ko upon receiving these samples. So, I think it's the same ones that I'm receiving. So, ayan siya. So, I think maliliit lang din siya. So, I got Ralph Lauren and an Alien. So, may dalawa ata. Oh, tatlo! So, first one is Valentino. So, di ba, hindi naman ako bibili ng Valentino na pabango mahal-mahal. So, I'm not sure how you read it. Boche Viva. So, yan. Maliit lang siya. So, floral. So, orange, bergamot, and moss. Crystal moss overdose. So, hindi ako expert sa mga pabango. Pero kung ano yung maamoy ko mabango, yun lang. So, ayan siya. That's the first sample. So, the next sample is Ralph Lauren. O, baliktad. So, Ralph Lauren. Ralph's Club. So, I'm assuming that this is male na pabango. Oo nga, pang lalaki siya. So, si Carlo, hindi siya mahilig magpabango. So, I might give this to my cousins na lang. Kasi, ayoko din naman ng mga pang lalaki na pabango. So, this one, hindi nakalagay ko ano yung mga notes. Pero, alam mo, amoy lalaki siya. Wala talagang nakalagay ko anong klaseng notes. So, anyway, so that's that. And then the last item. So, Alien. So, ayan siya. Muggler. I've received one of this before. Mabango siya. Ito, hindi rin nakalagay. Nakalagay lang talisman. Budol. So, mabango siya. Mabango rin siya. So, yung isang Alien na na-receive ko, mabango. Parang I think white yung ano niya, hindi ko alam kung ano. I actually heard of this brand dito na lang. So I don't know about this brand. So dito sa tatlong samples na na-receive ko, ito lang yung hindi ko alam kung ano. So ayan, so it's not too bad. So 26 pounds and I received 3 samples. Tapos discounted pa yung item. So if you wanna buy perfume, then go to the Perfume Shop kasi marami kayong pagpipilian. So, hindi to sponsored. I just want to show you what I got from the Perfume Shop. So, these are the only items that I received from today. So, if you like videos like this, please hit the like button. Comment down below if mahilig din ba kayo sa pabango. And, may mai-recommend ba kayo sa akin na pabango na mabango. Like, girly scents, mga ganyan. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!